Hey gang, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at some whitening strips by Lumineux. These are nice whitening strips. They're non-toxic and they're whitening strips, as you can see here. Now what comes in the package is a bunch of different configurations. This is 14 treatments. There's all different kind of configurations that are available. They're designed for cleaning your teeth. So how it works, it's minutes to whiten your teeth. Roughly you put them on each one of these packages. Let me open it up and just show you what they look like real quick here. So each one of these has a top and a bottom layer in here. You set it on your teeth approximately 30 minutes. You can see there's an upper and a lower level here. You can see that in the strips right there. Shows you right there, upper and lower level. And basically you just leave them on there for 30 minutes. Keep them on there and then just remove them, and you just keep repeating those treatments until your teeth are as desired, as white as you want. Again, enamel safe, whitening without the sensitivity, which is really important. And this is definitely a nice package you can take with you. You can travel with this. You can take this with you on the road. Just even touch up once a week. It just has a lot of versatility and a lot of options with this specific treatment. So I definitely highly recommend this if you're looking for a whitening strip regimen. I think this is definitely going to work for you. So I highly recommend these here. Definitely way to go. Thanks for watching the review.